Good morning, children. Today we are going to learn chapter 8 of class 3, that is time. In this chapter we learn identify the hour hand and minute hand in a clock, read the time on a clock, write the time in AM and PM, read the calendar, find the number of days, weeks and months in a given period of time. I have hands but I cannot clap. Who am I? The answer is clock. In a clock, the short hand is the hour's hand and the long hand is the minute's hand. At 12 o'clock, the hour and the minute's hands are pointing to the exact same spot. Time. A clock shows us the time. It is very important to know the time to plan our day properly. Different times shown by a clock are provided below. In picture 1 it is showing that 2 o'clock. In picture 2 it is showing 8:30, that is half past 8. In picture 3 it is showing 9:10, that is 10 minutes past 9. In picture 4 it is showing 12:50, that is 10 minutes to 1. In picture 5 it is showing 6:15, that is quarter past 6. In picture 6 it is showing 4:45, that is quarter to 5. Time in AM and PM. The time taken by the minute hand to go round a clock once is 60 minutes. 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. Half an hour is equal to 30 minutes. We know that there are 24 hours in a day. 12 o'clock in the day is written as 12 noon. 12 o'clock in the night is written as 12 midnight. From 12 midnight to 12 noon are the first 12 hours of the day. We write the times from 12 midnight to 12 noon in AM, that is ante-meridian. From 12 noon till 12 midnight are the second 12 hours of the day. We write the times from 12 noon to 12 midnight in PM, that is post-meridian. Examples. Example 1. 5 o'clock in the morning is written as 5 AM. Example 2. 5 o'clock in the evening is written as 5 PM. Calendar. There are 12 months in a year. Look at the calendar of 2017. We have January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November and December. Months of a year. An ordinary year has 365 days divided into 12 months. Each month except February has 30 or 31 days. February has 28 days. A leap year occurs once in every 4 years. A leap year has 366 days. February has 29 days in a leap year. Look at the 2017 calendar given in this page. Question number 1. Name the months that have 30 days. Here the answer is April, June, September and November. Question number 2. Name the months that have 31 days. Here the answer is January, March, May, July, August, October and December. You can also find out the number of days in a month by using your hands. All you need to do is fold your palm and count the knuckles as shown. Here January 31, February 28, March 31, April 30, May 31, June 30, July 31, August 31, September 30, October 31, November 30 and December 31. Name of the month and number of days is given in the picture. January we have 31 days, February we have 28 days, March we have 31 days, April we have 30 days, May we have 31 days, June we have 30 days, July we have 31 days, August we have 31 days, September we have 30 days, October we have 31 days, November we have 30 days, December is having 31 days. Note, February has 29 days in a leap year. Days of a week. There are 7 days in a week. The order of the days in a week is as follows: Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday and Sunday. Conversion of units of time. We know that 60 seconds is equals to 1 unit, 60 minutes is equals to 1 hour, 24 hours is equal to 1 day, 7 days is equal to 1 week, 12 months is equal to 1 year, 1 year is equal to 365 days, 1 leap year is equal to 366 days. Examples. Example 1. Convert the following into months. Bit A 3 years. Steps are: we know that 1 year is equals to 12 months. Therefore, 3 years is equals to 3 into 12 months, which equals to 36 months. Bit B 5 years. Steps are: we know that 1 year is equals to 12 months. Therefore, 5 years is equals to 5 into 12 months, which equals to 60 months. Example 2. Convert 6 weeks into days. Steps are: we know that 1 week is equal to 7 days. Therefore, 6 weeks equals to 6 into 7 days, which equals to 42 days. To fill in the blanks using morning or afternoon or noon or evening or night. Bit A 5 a.m. It is 5 o'clock in the morning. Bit B 4 p.m. It is 4 o'clock in the evening. Bit C 6:30 p.m. It is 30 minutes past 6 in the evening. Bit D 12 p.m. It is 12 o'clock in the night. Bit E 10 p.m. It is 10 o'clock in the night. Renu reaches 15 minutes before the start time of the examination in the examination hall. Bit A. Today, Renu reached the examination hall at 8 a.m. At what time is the examination scheduled to begin? Its answer is 8:15 a.m. B. Do you think it is always good to reach before time for examinations? Why? Its answer is: it is always good to reach the examination hall before, because it reduces anxiety about exam. Match the following. It is showing that column A and column B. Here column A, the options are: A 1 hour, B 1 leap year, C 1 day, D half an hour, E 1 minute, F 5 days, G 1 year. And column B options are: 1 60 seconds, 2 365 days, 3 60 minutes, 4 24 hours, 5 366 days, 6 120 hours, 7 30 minutes. Here 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes, 1 leap year is equal to 360 days, 1 day is equal to 24 hours, half an hour is equal to 30 minutes, 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds, 5 days is equal to 120 hours, 1 year is equal to 365 days. Here the matching is A 3, B 5, C 4, D 7, E 1, F 6, G 2. Mention AM or PM for the following activities. Bit A. Ramya watches sunrise at 6. That is, its answer is 6 AM. Bit B. Banu had tea 4:30 in the evening. It is 4:30 PM. Bit C. Suraj went for playing at 5 in the evening. Its answer is 5 PM. Bit D. Monish had dinner at 8:30. Its answer is 8:30 PM. Bit E. Mona goes to sleep at 9:30. Its answer is 9:30 PM. Observe the calendar and answer the given questions. Here the picture shows the month of December of 2017. Now observe the questions here. Question number 1. How many days are there in this month? The answer is 31. Question number 2. How many Sundays are there in this month? Here the answer is 5 Sundays. Question number 3. What is the first day of the month? Here the answer is Friday is the first day of the month. Question number 4. Which days occur 5 times in this month? Here the answer is Sunday and Saturday occur 5 times in this month. Question number 5. On which date is the second Wednesday of the month? Here the answer is 13th December. Question number 6. On which date the fourth Saturday of the month? Here the answer is 23rd December.